Hey Misfits, Toni Craft here. Today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna try someone else's tutorial. So I've got a tutorial pulled up by Taryn TrueArt, and I will show you her links and everything. She makes these Resin Geode Coasters that are really cool, and she does it in a way that I have never played with resin before in this way. So I wanted to try one of her tutorials and see how it works. So I've got a bunch of supplies here with me. I'm dangerously low on glitter, so I'm going to be using some other stuff. We'll see how that works. You guys know I never follow directions. It's probably going to come out terrible. Okay, so the first part of this project that you may need to go to the store for is silicone. So this is silicone caulking, and this is basically, you're going to make a temporary mold. So you're gonna make the outside of your geode slice. It's gonna hold in the resin. And then of course you need a resin. I have some powdered pigments that you can mix into resins, and I have a liquid pigment. We might be experimenting with that one. We'll see. Confetti glitter. That's as close as I'm getting to glitter today. It's pretty, it sort of looks geode-y, so hopefully that works. Some metallic acrylic paint, and I've got a whole set of Lumiere halo and jewel colors. It's metallic acrylic. So I don't have any acrylic paint pens like she uses in her video, so I'm just gonna try to use these tips. A heat gun for getting my bubbles out, mixing cups. I have some frog tape to tape down my plastic. I have some gloves. I just watched the video once all the way through, and I invite you to do the same. Her videos are quick and concise. They actually make me want to stop talking so much and make quicker, more concise videos. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is tape down our plastic. The plastic is also an ingredient that you'll need. She suggested furniture plastic. I couldn't find a plastic that was as thick as furniture plastic, but I got a thinner one. I think it's gonna be fine. We'll see. We will see. And I already made the silicone outline because I wanted one that would be dry right away, but I'm gonna show you. I'll make one right next to it that's gonna be wet. Oh, and I should also say that she's a much better planner than I. She makes whole templates and stuff. This one looks like a dang flower. And this stuff dries pretty quick. I think it's about 20 minutes. Go ahead and put some gloves on. She starts mixing up resin right away and then just kind of puts stuff in it as she goes. So it seems like the name of the game is doing layers, not letting them blend too much. Smallest gloves in the universe. Oh God. Okay, here we go. I did that backwards, didn't I? Screwing it up already. Hello. Okay, so hardener's gonna go in here. Clearly need more coffee today. So we're gonna mix this for 2 minutes. 2 minutes feels like a lifetime. My arm hurts. We're stirring, we're stirring, we're stirring forever. My hand hurts, my hand hurts. Stir, stir, stir. All right, so in her videos, she always does a clear center. So we're gonna start with that. And she put some glitter in her clear, so let's try some of this crazy confetti stuff. Doesn't tell me anything. I'm just gonna do. Oh boy. Remember correctly, you only need a couple drops of this stuff. Probably less than what I just did. I feel like this thing's not very flat, which may cause me some problems later on. Which is seems to be causing me problems right now. Hey, if you want me to try out your tutorial and totally screw it up, I'm your girl. Let's do a little bit darker. Woo, that was a lot. Okay. It's looking good, looking good. Oh, some of these are supposed to have like glitter in them, huh? Okay. Just fill in the spots here. Now this not flat surface thing is probably gonna screw me. That's actually looking pretty. I'm just not very flat over here. I'm gonna use my heat gun. Alright, so this is the finished product of the Taryn TrueArt tutorial that I tried. This is a geode coaster. I think it came out pretty cool. It's really hard to photograph this or video it in a way where you can see the depth of it. But this is a fun, cool project. If you're already working with resin and already have these kind of materials around, I would give it a shot. I didn't have any problems with the caulking. There was a little bit that stuck to the edges, and I did end up sanding my edges because there was some sharp spots. But I think this is really cool, and instead of using it as a coaster, I might just put it in a little frame or something. So anyways, go over to Taryn TrueArt's page and check her out. Subscribe to her. I think she's making cool videos. Like I said, she's very concise, much more concise than me. So if you think I'm a bag of wind, go follow her. So anyways, Taryn, thank you for letting me try out your tutorial, and I hope you guys had fun, and I will see you again soon. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell if you don't want to miss anything, all right?